The unboxing experience immediately creates a positive first impression. Inside, every component is neatly organized, including the robot, wireless remote controller, documentation, charging cable, screwdriver, stickers, batteries for the controller, and the optional BBC microbit boards and batteries. Thanks to the intuitive setup process, I had the PU robot assembled, powered on, and walking confidently across my desk in just a matter of minutes, providing an excellent first hands-on impression. The PU robot immediately impressed me with its excellent build quality. It feels sturdy and well-balanced, while its fully enclosed body protects the internal electronics and gives it a polished, professional appearance. Unlike many educational robots with exposed components, the PU robot hides its wiring and mechanics behind a durable shell, complemented by 6 industrial-grade all-metal gear servos that deliver smooth, precise, and reliable movement. The detachable feet also help absorb impacts during accidental falls, further improving the robot's long-term durability. The PU robot features a charming humanoid design that is both friendly and modern, making it equally appealing to children and robotics enthusiasts. Its ultrasonic sensor doubles as expressive robotic eyes, while the self-balancing head adds a surprisingly lifelike touch during movement. The clean, enclosed body, modular backpack, and Lego-compatible design further enhance both its practicality and creative potential. The PU robot offers impressive functionality through its 6 metal servo joints, delivering smooth walking, precise movements, and entertaining dance routines. Its ultrasonic sensor enables intelligent obstacle avoidance, while the built-in microphone powers an AI rhythm dance mode that reacts to music in real time. Features like idle mode and auto explore mode further enhance the experience, making the robot feel interactive, lifelike, and capable of navigating its surroundings autonomously. Based on my first hands-on experience, the ELECFREAKS PU robot kit with microbit makes an excellent first impression with its premium build quality, appealing humanoid design, and strong educational focus. Its industrial-grade metal servos, Lego compatibility, and support for both MakeCode and Python make it a promising STEM platform that appears well-suited for both beginners and aspiring young programmers.